What's up, Peak Timers? It's race day, and today we are racing 24 of the best Hot Wheels trucks. Let's get this tournament started. And here's our race number 1 trucks. Let's have a look at them. First up, we've got the Jeep Wrangler in this cool looking blue color. We've got the Sand Blaster hardcore off-road truck. We've got the Ford Ranger Raptor in yellow. And we've got the Dodge Power Wagon angry looking beastly truck. We've got the Humvee or the Hummer H1 all military out. And we've got the Ford F-150 Lightning tuned out version. Let's get started for race number 1. Only one of these trucks will move on to our final race. On your mark, get set, go! And our race winner is the Ford Ranger Raptor. It's the first truck to move on to our final race. And our race number 2 trucks are on the starting grid. Let's see who's racing. First up, we've got a Chevy Blazer Fire Truck Edition. Then we've got a Zamac car, the Land Rover Series 3 pickup truck. Look at that cool looking Zamac car. Then we've got the GMC Cyclone in black. Love this little truck. Then we've got the 67 Chevy C10 pickup truck. Looks very beastly with that front cowl hood. Then we've got, the little Toyota Baja already trying to take off in our race. That one's gonna go into lane number 5. And then finally, we've got the Dodge D100 pickup Baja edition as well. Let's get our race started. One truck moves on to our finals. On your mark, get set, go! And the GMC Cyclone smashes the competition, takes the win, and moves on to our finals, joins that Ranger Raptor. Race number 3 trucks on the starting grid. Let's have a look at them. First up, we've got the Lowrider Chevy Silverado. Very cool looking truck. We've got the custom Ford Bronco. What a crazy looking off-road vehicle with the open roof there as well. Very, very cool. I like that one. We've got the luxury Range Rover Velar in silver. We've got the Land Rover Defender double cab camo edition. We've got the blue Mercedes Unimog 1300s. And we've got the Jeepster Commando with the bike on the back. Let's see who takes race number 3. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Lowrider Chevy Silverado pickup truck that takes the win and joins our GMC Cyclone and our Ranger Raptor in our final race. Let's go to race number 4. Race number 4 trucks on the starting grid. Let's have a look at them. We've got the Land Rover Defender 90, a brand new casting from Hot Wheels. We've got the Ford F-150 pickup truck K&N Filter Edition. We've got the 83 Chevy Silverado in yellow, all lowered out. We've got the Jeep Gladiator, such a cool looking casting with the bikes on the back of it as well. We've got the Ford F-150 Raptor Edition in green. Love the look of that one. And last but not least, we've got the custom 1962 Chevy pickup with the surfboard on the back. Let's see who takes this one and moves on to our final race. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Poor Ford F-150 Raptor couldn't make it fully down the track, it's just too wide. And there's your race winner, the Land Rover Defender 90. And here we are at our finals. We're gonna do a best of 3. So the first truck to win 2 races is our grand champion. Our racing trucks in the finals are the Ford Ranger Raptor. We've got the GMC Cyclone pickup. We've got the Chevy Silverado and the Land Rover Defender 90. Here's race 1 of the finals. Who's gonna take it first? On your mark, get set, go! And the Land Rover Defender 90 is our race winner in our first final race. It needs to win this race to be our grand champion, but it's still open for another truck to take the win, and we could go into a third race. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And there you have it, guys. Our brand new casting, the Land Rover Defender 90, is our grand champion of our trucks tournament. Look at all those cool looking trucks. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite truck that raced in today's tournament. I thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up as well, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.